first thing you need to do when you want to merge information from a spreadsheet into your document is to create the spreadsheet. So you can see in my Excel document here, I've created a list with students' names, surnames, and their class. It's just a very simple document. You'll need to close this document before you can merge the data. Now you can see here I'm using one of these unit assessment feedbacks from the PYP, and I want to merge information into this student section here and also up here into the PYP class level. The first thing that I need to do is to go up to my Tools menu and use the Letter and Mailings Mail Merge wizard. And you see it opens up on the side here. Now I can just click through this particular wizard. I'm starting with this document. So I can say use the current document, and now I need to select the recipients. You can see here I can select recipients from use an existing list, select from Outlook contacts, or type a new list, or I can use an existing list. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to use the one that I've already created. It will automatically take you to my data sources, but I've already saved my spreadsheet in a folder called assessment, and there it is there, student names. So I just need to click open. Now it asks me which sheet I want to take the information from, and I could have named these sheets in the spreadsheet, but it was on the first sheet, and you can see that it's taken surname, name, and class. So I'll click OK. Now I need to click to step 4, where I'm going to set my mail merge fields in. So if I click on the More Items over here on the right, it gives me all of the different items. So you can see my cursor's up here, and I want to put the class in to that section, so I'll insert. Okay, and close. Don't worry too much about if the mail merge field looks a little bit bigger than what you'd anticipated, because if it is only 2 characters, then it will go back to being small once you merge the data. Okay, the next area was the student name. So again, more items. I want to have the first name, and then I want to have the surname. Then click close. Remember that I need to put a space in between the 2. Okay, that's all of the merge data I wanted to put in today. So I want to preview what it's going to look like. And you can see here that it's going to look like this, PYP5M, and my student's name, the first one on the list was John Smith. I can scroll through the different names to see that everyone's there. Okay, next up I need to complete the merge. So I click and I can either choose to print it straight away, I can edit the individual letters, or I can save the whole document. If I just close this little wizard to the side, I can actually open up the toolbar which relates to mail merge in the View menu under Toolbars, Mail Merge. And if I drag that up to the top, it will sit there. See, you can see I want to merge all of my data to a new document. I want to merge to a printer, to email. You've got lots of options. So if I merge to a new document, I want all of my records. Then you can see that it's added every single page. So there was my first page, then the student reflection, and my second page where Jackie Jones is the student, and so on.